How to create Viviveror stickers. You can create your own custom Viviveror sticker pack directly within the app of Viviveror, either using the mobile phone or using the desktop app as well. In-app editor inside of Viviveror lets you create your own images or even text, or even add text and doodles to your stickers. So to do that, open up the app of Viviveror and then open up a particular chat. Once you're inside of a particular chat, you can tap on the emoji option on the bottom and then head over to the stickers section. On the bottom right of the stickers section, you'll see this plus icon. You can just tap on this option, and right here you'll see the option called create stickers. Now you can make your sticker public or private depending upon what you want by toggling this option on or off. And first of all, you can name this sticker pack whatever you like and also add in a description. Now the way that you create stickers is by tapping on this plus icon. Either you can select any images from your gallery, take a photo straight away, or just create doodle images. Tap on this option on the bottom, and then inside of this you can either add in text or those stickers and just doodle as well. So depending upon what you want, you can just play around and create your own stickers inside of the doodle section. Once you're done, tap on save sticker and you can see the sticker now has been added. Make sure you name the sticker first of all in order for you to create it. And there you go, the custom sticker now has been created and will also be visible inside of the stickers section. So similar to this, you can just create your own stickers and then make it public if you want as well. So that's all there is in creating stickers inside of Viviveror. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more informative videos just like this.